Learn this awesome wall jump effect in CapCut. Hi everyone! In today's CapCut tutorial, I will show you how to create an epic wall jump entry effect. Just perfect for creative edits and social media videos, okay? Let's get started! Step 1. Import your clips. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import your first clip, which would be a shot of the empty wall or the background. Then import your second clip, that of yourself jumping, to make it look like you are entering through the wall. Yeah, that is it. Step 2. Place clips on the timeline. Drag your empty wall clip to the main track. Now drag your jump clip on the overlay track. I think you are watching, eh? Next, tap and drag your jump clip underneath the main wall clip on the timeline, so it appears behind it. That is it. Step 3. Remove the background. Tap on your jump clip, scroll through the editing options and select remove background. Choose auto remover. This will erase your background and isolate you into the video. Step 4. Add splice effect. While your jump clip still selected, go to splice and choose color burn. This will create a dynamic cinematic look that blends your jump into the skin beautifully. Step 5. Adjust and finalize. Play back your video to see the effect. Adjust the size and position of your jump clip if needed, and trim the clips for a smooth and clean transition, like that. That is it. And that's it. You have just created a standing wall jump entry effect in CapCut. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more CapCut tips and tricks every week. Thanks for watching. See ya in the next one.